What's up, everyone? Welcome to Apex Wealth, the channel where we are gonna break down money, investing, and wealth building in the simplest way possible. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why two people can earn the exact same paycheck, yet 10 years later one is financial free while the other is still living paycheck to paycheck? Sound kinda crazy, right? Here's the thing, it isn't always about making more money, it isn't about having rich parents, and it definitely isn't about getting lucky overnight. The truth is, your financial future is shaped by the habits you repeat every single day. Tiny choices repeated over months turn into years, and years turn into your financial reality. Today we are gonna dive into 7 money habits that quietly keep millions of people broke, and more important, we are gonna talk about that wealthy people do instead. Trust me, by the end of this video you might completely change the way you look at money. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's jump right in. Habit number one, spending what's left instead of saving first. Most people wait until the end of the month to save money, after rent, after groceries, after eating out, after online shopping, after subscriptions, after random impulse purchases, and then they wonder why there's nothing left. There's the problem, saving whatever's left almost never work because there's usually nothing left. Rich people flip the entry process. The moment they get paid, they pay themselves first. They automatically move money into savings or investing before spending a single dollar. Why? Because they know one simple rule: if you don't control your money is gonna control you. Think of your paycheck like a pizza. If you keep giving everyone else a slice first, don't be surprised when your own plate is empty. That's why automation is so powerful. Set up automatic transfers, make savings effortless, because building wealth isn't about motivation, it's about creating system that work even when you don't feel like it. Habit number two, buying things to impress others peoples. Let's be honest for a second. Social media has completely changed the way of people spend money. Someone buys a luxury car, now you want one. Someone shows off designer clothes, now your wardrobe suddenly feels outdated. Someone posts a vacation in Dubai, now your own life feels boring. But here's the deal, most people are spend money they don't have to impress people who honestly don't care. Rich people think differently. Instead of asking, what can I buy? They ask, what can I invest in? They buy assets, stocks, businesses, real estate, skills, books, courses, things that either make money or increase their ability to make more money later. Remember this, looking rich and actually being rich are two completely different things. One costs money, the other makes money. Habit number three, waiting for the perfect moment. I'm gonna start investing next year. I will save money after I get promoted. I'll learn about finance when life slows down. Sounds familiar? Here's the truth, there is no perfect time. Life will always be busy, unexpected expenses will always happen, something will always come up. The people who come wealthy are not The ones who waited, they are the ones who started even when they didn't know everything, even when they felt nervous, even when they only had a little money because action beats perfection. Every single time, imagine planting a tree. The best time was year ago. The second best time is today. The same goes for investing. Time is yours greatest advantage, and every year you delay, you are giving up year of potential compound growth. Habit number 4, depending on one paycheck. Here's a question: what would happen if your paycheck disappeared tomorrow? Could you still pay your bills next month? For most people, the answer is no. That's because they are relying on one source of income, and that's risky. Rich people understand that one paycheck is never enough. They build multiple income streams, investments, dividend stocks, rental income, online businesses, freelancing, digital products, royalties, passive income. They don't build these overnight. It takes time, but every additional income stream make them more financial secure. The goal isn't to work harder forever. The goal is to create income that keeps showing up even when you are sleeping. That's real financial freedom. Habit number 5, ignoring financial education. Think about everything you learned in school: math, science, history, literature. But how much time did you spend learning about investing, taxes, credit scores, budgeting, retirement planning? Probably not much, and that's a problem because money affects almost every part of your life. Successful people never stop learning. They read books, watch educational videos, listen to podcasts, take online courses, study. Successful investors learn from mistakes because knowledge compounds just like money. Does one good financial idea could literally change the rest of your life? Habit number 6, letting emotions make financial decision. Fear, greed, impatience, these three emotions have probably destroyed more wealth than any market crash ever could. When prices fail, people panic, they sell, then the market recovers, and suddenly they are buying back at much higher prices. The opposite happens to everyone starts talking about a hot investment. People rush in because of FOMO, prices crash, and they lose money. Successful investors don't chase hype, they follow a plan, they stay patient, they understand that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Emotional decisions usually create expensive mistakes. Logical decisions create wealth. Habit number 7, thinking rich people are just lucky. Here, probably the biggest lie: people believe they are rich because they got lucky. Sure, luck exists, but luck alone does not build long term wealth. Discipline does, consistency does, patience does. Most wealthy people simply repeated smart financial habit for years. They invested regularly, avoided unnecessary debt, lived below their means, kept learning, stayed patient, and give their money time to grow. That's it. No magic, no secret formula, just consistency, habits, day after day, year after year, until those habits produced extraordinary results. So here my challenge for you: don't try to change everything overnight. Pick just one habit from today's video. Focus on it this week. Once it becomes automatic, move on to the next one. Small improvements may not seem exhausting today, but over month and year they completely transform your financial future. Remember, wealth isn't built in a weekend. It's built one smart decision at a time. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, go ahead and subscribe to Apex Wealth for more videos on money, investing, personal finance, and building real wealth. Until next time, stay smart, stay patient, keep investing in yourself, and I will see you in the next video.